Okay, so now we're going to do the section B. So this is the section B. Okay, as you all can see here, this is the AL. AL is 1. So AL is 1, and then here also, so you have to put 1. And then the next step is DI. DI is 2000. Then here also 2000. And then the next step is the next step is CX. CX is 10. So CX is 10 here. Then here. So what is the previous instruction is highlight, which is this, and then and then the next is 0A. So the 0A we have to put here 0A, and then this is the one time instruction, which is one time. We only execute these 3 lines one time. So we keep on repeating this instruction is the table, as you can see here, the repeat one loop here. So the corresponding data is repeated. So we goes on to the first loop. The first loop is, so the yellow highlight is over here, and then we set. So the DIAL, currently AL is equals to 1. So we copy the current value. Okay, and then before that, I think so we have to change this to 2000, and then we execute update. So as you can see here, the data has been written up to 2000, which is 2000 DI. So the data is being stored here, and then after we execute here, and then we move to first loop. Current AL is 1. So the current value for DI is 2000. So this is 2000. The memory of address is DS over DI. So the DS is this, and then the DS is here. So we move on to the AL, increase AL. This is increase AL. So this is the instructions for horizontally to the right, and then each of the loop. So increase AL by 1, as you can see here, this is the yellow one, and then AL has become, as you can see here, the next step is increase AL. The AL increased to 2. So this is the 2 here, and then the DI becomes, so as you can see here, the DI becomes 2001. So this is the 2001. So currently the CX is 0A, 0A. So CS is decremented by 1, and then the CX is become 9. So if we move back to the second loop, okay, as you can see here, this is the 9, and then so we repeat the first line. So the AL is 2, then the current memory is this one, and then the 2000 di is 2001, and then the current data al will become 02. So as you can see here, this is the 02 here. So we'll just follow it, keep on following it. As you can see here, this is a 03 for the al, al, al is become 3, and then increase di become, the next step is di becomes 2002, and then the loop repeat will become from zx from 9 here, it will change to 8. So this is the 8 here, and then we keep repeating it. As you can see here, we will change according to the same as we done before, cx here, and then the di changes to 2002, and then as you can see from 2002 it become 2003 here, and then it currently increasing al from 003 it becomes 04, and then from that you can see the al becomes 05, and then the di becomes 2003, and then from that 2004, and then 2005, 6, 7, 8, and also 9. We have to keep following it to the next step, and then from there, as you can see, it changes to 200A. So the data is being stored is data being stored in the 10th loop is 0A. AL is 0A. Okay. So the DI becomes 2009, and then the last is 200A. So that's all for section B. Thank you very much.